To test Google Analytics tracking code, you need to ensure it is properly installed and collecting data on your website. Start by accessing your Google Analytics account and navigating to the admin section, where you will find the tracking code for your website. Copy the tracking code and paste it into the header section of your website, ideally before the closing head tag. If you are using a content management system like WordPress, you can use a plugin to simplify the process. Once the tracking code is installed, use the Google Tag Assistant extension for Chrome to verify if the code is working correctly. This extension will highlight any issues with the tracking code and provide recommendations for improvement. Another way to test the tracking code is by using the real-time reports in Google Analytics. After installing the tracking code, navigate to the Real-Time Reports section and check if you can see your own activity on the website. If you can see your activity, it means the tracking code is working correctly. You can also use the Network tab in the browser developer tools to inspect the HTTP requests being sent to Google Analytics. Look for requests to the google-analytics.com domain and verify that the tracking code is sending the correct data. In addition to testing the tracking code, it is also important to test event tracking, such as button clicks or form submissions. You can use the Google Analytics debugger to test event tracking and verify that the correct data is being sent to Google Analytics. Best practices for testing Google Analytics tracking code include testing on multiple browsers and devices, verifying that the tracking code is installed on all pages of the website, and regularly checking the tracking code for any issues or errors. By following these steps and best practices, you can ensure that your Google Analytics tracking code is working correctly and providing accurate data about your website.